Hello folks, this is Sammy from RV Ready in Lake Elsinore, California. Today I'm going to show you a video for a 2022 Thor Escape 18M. As you can see, it is a Ram chassis and it is a van, not cutaway or anything. I'm going to go around it first just so you can see what I'm looking at. This is a look through the back. And then I'm going to go around and I'll go through some of these features. As you can see, it's very, very nice and it's like practically brand new. So here's the driver's seat, dash, and I know it has low miles. I forgot how many, but it's on our website. And there we go. So now I'm from the driver's seat. This is a table that goes around. So I'm gonna go out from this way first and then kind of come in and show you what is going on. It's got the marine looking cabinets. Very nice and shiny stuff. Hidden hinges. And that's the table that I was telling you about. It pivots in a lot of ways so you can eat. Now that obviously you can pull down here and that makes into a bed. Now going around to the kitchen, I have an extension, and that's the fridge right here with the freezer, battery disconnect, very nice drawers with a ball bearing glide. This is the Dometic propane stovetop. I know it's hard to get propane anymore. Sink, stainless steel. This is a TV mount for you to put a TV on, and that is a, let's see, that looks like a regular microwave. No, maybe not. No, it does look like a regular microwave. Right here, we have the solar charger on top. I have some USBs and an inverter right here. On the roof, I have soft touch ceilings and an air conditioner. And if I go towards the back, pretty decent storage area right here. And a 10-inch exhaust fan. This bottom has some drawers too. Right here in the doggy ball. So let me go around the back a little bit more. And I got more USBs. Let's see, lights here, and roller shades, as you can see, and it's got these Euro windows, more cabinet, and these you can put anywhere you want, so you can maximize your storage. A sliding door for the bathroom, closes and opens, and here's a shower, toilet. There's the faucet handle in the shower, and there's the sink, all hidden, nice and neat. A lot of storage here. It's big, very nice, and there's also a small vent in the bathroom, so when you take a shower. So I'm going to jump outside now and show you a look from here. I got storage here. Not sure what's in here. I think that's the cassette part for the toilet. Yeah, I gotta get the thing to push it here. Okay. Tow and hitch. Rear camera. As you can see, it's pretty nice. All there. RV Ready, Lake Elsinore. Come and see us.